Magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. Isang nakakagulantang na balita na naman ang bumulwag sa Miss USA. Bago ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, I needed more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Salamat! At katatapos lang po ang coronation ng Miss USA Maryland. Mary Ann Bailey was crowned the winner for Miss USA Maryland. Transgender Asian American and married to a military in the Marines. At pakinggan po natin kung ano ang plataforma ni Miss Mary Ann Bailey.
Opening doors for other people to see the representation in Maryland, and I hope to showcase that in LA whenever I go to Miss USA to represent